back in January, I was in the South Island for a bikepacking trip. Here I'm at Christchurch airport, building up my gravel bike. It's going to be a self-supported trip, so I've got everything I'll need for the next 8 days on the bike, including tent, sleeping bag, and gas stove and so on. To begin, I followed the smooth paved roads along the featureless plains, stopping now and then to take in the local sights.
Look at the size of that water sprinkler.
Soon the sealed road turns to gravel.
It's a gravel road.
And with that, the climbing begins, leaving the plains behind for beautiful, remote valleys. Very few cars passed, and just as well for the cloud of dust they left behind. The next part of the routes would be challenging, and what I was most excited for. The Molesworth, one of the most remote parts of New Zealand, 200 kilometres between shops, and entirely on gravel. Eventually, I reached the first bit of paved road in 2 days for the short run down into Blenheim.
Another beautiful day. It's reckon about 12 o'clock now. Just leaving Blenheim. I stayed with the nice hosts in Blenheim last night. And went to the shop this morning, got some lunch and some breakfast. Managed to consume a whole pack of croissants. Just heading towards those hills now. Enjoying this nice little bike path on the flat road while it lasts.
I followed the Port Underwood Road to Picton. It was pretty hilly, however the views were well worth it.
This road is ridiculous. This isn't the worst bit. Super rocky, super steep. Pushing quite a bit of it.
After some perseverance, I finally reached the Mangapatu Saddle. From here, it would be downhill to Nelson, where I'd be finishing my journey.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
I was sad to leave this place after such an awesome week of bikepacking. I can't wait to return back to South Island to explore more.
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.